Today I'm going to show a system I've set up to use Autodesk to take a series of pictures and turn them into a mesh. I've blogged about this previously, but what I have now, a little more sophistication. I have a nice black background. Right now what I'm doing is collecting images of this little cowboy figure. And what's different this time, besides the black background, is now the platform is being driven by a stepper motor, and my camera is being triggered automatically externally. I'm doing both of these things through one of these little stepper motor controllers. This is one of the Chinese kind that you find on eBay, but I'm also using a smooth stepper which allows me to control the board through Ethernet, and that is plugged into a laptop running Mach 3. And so what the program is going to do, very simple, is trigger the camera and then advance the platform and repeat. So I will let that run a little bit. The whole process takes a few minutes, so I won't run the video the whole time. But I'm just going to start the program here and show you what happens. So you can see what's happening here. Platform rotates a little bit, camera flashes, and it repeats. And it does this until it goes through a full rotation, and then I have a bunch of images with no background. I'm using a zoom lens at a distance here so that I'm using a very narrow angular range, and all I can see is black and my figure. The program typically tells you to walk around the thing you want to take a scan of, but I really haven't had much luck with that. The program will give you a very good mesh if you set things up perfectly. When I blogged about this previously, I was really careful about making sure not to have any background. Also, my own image of my head from the Maker Faire, when they used their booth at the Autodesk area, had the background of all the cameras because they were pointing in many different directions. In this case, I'm using one camera and rotating the object itself. So, if you look down on the rest of my blog here, you will see the result of this process.